Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning about counting really big numbers, bigger numbers than we've ever really counted before. I'm going to read this slide to you first. I have this big collection of craft sticks. Today, your job is to find out how many sticks we have all together. First, you will estimate the number of sticks, and then we'll work together to count them. This will give you lots of counting practice and help you to understand numbers over 100. What does the word estimate mean? It says first you will estimate. Estimate how many sticks there are. An estimate is a guess, but it's like a really smart guess. It's not just like any guess. It's using your brain to think about why you think that's a good answer. Let's look at all these popsicle sticks here. There's a lot. If you look at that and I say, make an estimate of how many popsicle sticks you have, you probably wouldn't say 5. That probably wouldn't be a good estimate. There's a lot more than 5 there. So an estimate means we're making a guess. Yes, we are making a guess, but we are also making a guess using our brain to make the best guess we can. So take a look at these popsicle sticks. How many are there? What do you think? I want you to just think for a minute about how many popsicle sticks you think there are. Did you think about it? Did you make an estimate? Okay, now I want you to think about your estimate. Keep it locked in your head. We're going to talk in a minute about how many we actually have, and then you'll get to see how close you were. This is a lot of popsicle sticks. All right, what I did to make the popsicle sticks a little bit easier to count, I separated them into groups of 10. It would take a really long time for me to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? All over. It would take so long. So I went through and I clicked and I dragged them into groups of 10. Each of these boxes has 10 sticks. Now I can count by tens, and you are experts at skip counting by tens. Let's try it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And these are not in a box. So these must have been extras after. After I was done dragging them over by 10, I had some extras. So I'm going to count by tens again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And now I'm going to count by ones to see how many more than 90 I have. 91, 92, 93, 94. 94 sticks altogether. How close was your estimate? Did you estimate something close to 100? 94 is pretty close to 100. Were you a little higher, a little lower? Either way, it's okay. We're just getting started learning about these bigger numbers. Here's another way to look at the sticks bundled in groups of 10. Each of these sticks is bundled in a group of 10. And here are my ones. Let's see if I get the same answer counting them this way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm going to put a 9 here because I have 9 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 groups of 10. And then I have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put a 4 here. Does this show 94, which is the same number I counted before? It sure does. 94. 9 tens is 90 and 4 more ones. Awesome job. All right, now we're going to talk about what you get to do today. You're going to start to practice counting tens and ones. All right, so let's see here. I have a bundle of sticks. 1 bundle of 10, 2 bundles of tens. So in my tens box, I'm going to put a 2. Now I'm going to count my ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. I want you to notice something here. Are you ready? 2 tens, 2 groups of 10, 10, 20, and 3 ones. I'm going to put my total down here. What do you notice about these numbers and this number? Do you notice that my tens and my ones, 23, also make 23 down here? Yeah, it matches. 23, and I'm going to highlight it here so you can see it, means 2 tens and 3 ones, which is just like what we talked about in Number Corner last month too. 2 tens and 3 ones, 23. I'm also going to count it out, and it has some green boxes down here to help you. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. You can do the same thing when you're looking at tens over here. A 10 can also look like this, 10 cubes with ones over here. So for this one, how many tens? Just 1 10. 10 little cubes are in there, right? It's a group of 10, but there's just one group of 10. Ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 10 and 6 ones is 16 all together. So that's what you're going to practice doing today. And it's okay if it's a little bit hard today because it's new. So just do the best you can, and we will talk about it again next time we're together. Great job, everyone.